Hello again, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here, and welcome back to our Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. And today's video, it's a continuation of yesterday's video where we were talking about adding audiences to your search and shopping campaigns. The type of audiences we're talking about today are in-market audiences. Now, in-market audiences. Now, these are not audiences of lists of people who have visited your website. They are audiences that Google will create based on basically the behavior of people that it tracks through Chrome and through browsers. And in-market audiences, they're essentially it's looking at people who are actively interested in a particular topic. So if I am looking for car insurance, then because of my behavior online, Google will know that I am in the market to buy car insurance because I'd have been on GoCompare or whatever and I've been looking. And so they will add me to an audience that somebody then can use to target people who are in the market for car insurance. That's just one example. There are lots and lots of different examples. So depending on what your niche is, then there may be a suitable in-market audience for you. When it comes to layering over search and shopping campaigns, it's well worth just adding sort of as many in-market audiences as you can, because it doesn't cost any more. You just have them sitting there collecting data, and you might be surprised at which audiences do actually show different behaviors and maybe convert better or particularly worse. So something, for example, if I'm a traveler, if I am booking a holiday or I'm traveling, then I'm more likely to send flowers because it's my wife's birthday or my husband's birthday and I'm away, and so I might send flowers. But that kind of audience is not necessarily something you'd think of if you're a florist selling flowers. So anyway, in-market audiences, you need to basically add them to your search campaigns, layer them over your search and shopping campaigns, and then after you've got enough data, start going through and looking to see whether there are some you want to reduce bids for, some you want to increase bids for because those particular people seem to convert better and perform better for you. So that, in brief, is today's checklist item. It's actually checklist item 32. I got my numbers muddled up yesterday. It wasn't 30 yesterday, it was 31. So it's checklist item 32 today. Tomorrow we'll be looking at custom intent, talking about custom intent audiences. But that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel over here, post your comments below, and any questions you may have, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.